Dre's here. Here's another video. I got some new parts in the mail and I'm gonna go over them with you. I've been waiting for a while to get them, and I got a hole shot device too, but it didn't come in yet. So it's coming in like maybe tomorrow or something. And I'll probably make a new video tomorrow too, but I just want to go over these parts with you guys. So first I got some new clutch levers. They bend so they don't break as easily, and they're really nice because like they just feel more comfortable, and they like bend backwards so they don't break. And I have some mica metal grips for my dirt bike. I've never used mica metal grips, but they look really nice. And I got a new Pro Circuit silencer that I really like, and it's really shiny. And over here, I got the pipe for it. It's really nice, and it has the Pro Circuit Racing development placement over there. And then I got some new handlebars. I raced with these last year with my KTM, and I really love them. And they're, I don't know what they're called, I forgot.
They're hybrid?
Hybrid bars. They're really thick, so the vibration and everything doesn't like the vibration doesn't like go in your hands, and they're really thick so they don't break as easily, and they're really nice, and they like you can get them in different sizes and everything. And I would like really like I would prefer these for like rentals and everything because they're just more thicker and everything, and I like them more. They just feel more comfortable to me. And I think that's all for now. I'll probably make a video when I get my new clutch, my new hole shot device. And we're gonna do a little thing. We're gonna go put the parts on and we'll show them after. Okay, bye.